this your registration? Is your license in here?
No, it's in my pocket.
All right.
In Westport, Connecticut, then as WWE founder Vince McMahon, the 80-year-old just wrecked his Bentley after smashing into another car at over 100 miles per hour.
Now, imagine doing 115 miles per hour on a public highway, ignoring police lights, and smashing into a BMW, only to walk away with a $1,000 donation. Today, we are breaking down the horrifying bodycam footage of WWE founder Vince McMahon's high-speed wreck in Connecticut. You know, this is the example case of celebrity privilege. Let's take a look at this.
I haven't driven this car in quite some time.
It's fast, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, too fucking fast.
McMahon, who is a friend and business partner of Donald Trump, was speeding on the Merritt Parkway when Connecticut State Police tried to pull him over. McMahon kept going, reaching 115 miles per hour before running into that BMW and then smashing into a highway guardrail.
Damn.
Just stay in the car. Do you need an ambulance?
No, I don't.
All right. Why were you driving over 100 miles an hour?
The officer mentions McMahon was hitting 115 miles per hour. In most states, anything over 20 to 30 miles above the speed limit is considered reckless driving, which is a criminal offense. Not just a speeding ticket, but watch McMahon's demeanor. His calm, almost dismissive, calling himself a stupid fool. In a legal world, admissions of guilt like this can be used against you. But McMahon's team likely had a plan before the cuts over came out.
It's my granddaughter's birthday. I gotta get this the next exit.
Did you see me trying to catch up to you behind you?
I didn't see that. I saw lights, but it didn't look normal.
Yeah, I'm trying to catch up to you and you keep taking off.
Oh, no, I'm not trying to outrun you.
I know, I understand that, but that's why I was very confused. Right? Because it wasn't like you were running, it was just like you almost hit, I think, 115 miles an hour. All right, and then you just hit someone because you weren't paying attention. Were you looking at your phone?
No, I'm trying to drive. No, I'm not looking at my
phone. The person was right in front of you. There's got to be a reason you hit him.
No, I haven't been driving my car and God knows how long.
All right. It was right in front of you. You went straight at it at 100 miles an hour. I'm just making sure you're not having a medical condition or anything. Do you need an ambulance?
No, it's fine.
All right.
The Connecticut State Police just released the body camera footage of this July 2025 incident. McMahon never explained why he was either distracted or not paying attention. Luckily, the driver of the BMW he hit was not injured, just shot.
If you want to leave a statement, you could stay for the trooper that's going to take the accident report.
So you just happen to be passing by?
Yeah, I'm going in right now.
Holy cow. I mean, I was just trying not
to I saw the whole thing.
Tip over.
Oh, you okay, baby?
I know.
Shelby?
Yeah.
Hi, Shelby.
Thank God. I'm fine.
Yeah, no, honestly, you're lucky he noticed it last second because he turned. If he hit you straight on, it would have been worse. So, the other troopers are coming. I don't have a computer to do an accident report, but if you grab your license, registration, and insurance, if you decide to stay to leave a statement with that trooper, you'll just need your license.
That's great. You saw the whole thing. The guy, she said he was leaving a race with another
He was just going very fast.
Wow. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, thank goodness.
Your car's not damaged. You didn't get any debris, right?
No.
That woman, a good Samaritan, had pulled over to help.
Yeah, she's calm.
I thought I was going to get a lot of debris,
So
too.
you were actually trying to pull him over.
I was trying to catch up to him to pull him over.
Oh, my God.
An unidentified family member or friend that McMahon had called then arrived.
Let's get him to your car.
Okay.
We'll wait for the information. Once we give you the information, you guys can take off.
Okay, thank you.
All right?
Thank you very much.
So you hop out. You're going to go back to his car. What was that? No one's hurt. No one's hurt.
Can I pull right over here so it doesn't...
Yeah. He's going to bring it a little closer to you, sir. No, yeah, luckily no one's hurt. Yeah, he's going to bring the car a little closer. And you don't need an ambulance or anything? You're not hurt? All right. Maybe tomorrow you'll be a little sore.
Yeah, it's gonna be so.
All right, I can get you. You can go to his car now. You need anything else from inside? You good?
Now imagine he's a black person, or Asian, or a minority. What's gonna happen? It's gonna get ugly, I'm sure.
good?
And no one's hurt. That's the biggest yes.
The state police officer then took an official statement from the eyewitness, the Good Samaritan.
Start from the beginning.
So I was like maybe 2 miles up. I saw this guy like swerving in and out.
Yep.
And I was like, oh my God. And then all of a sudden I just saw like a huge cloud of smoke.
Okay.
And I like knew it had to be. And then I saw her. She pulled her head over and I just pulled over to see if she was okay.
An older gentleman.
Crazy? Like
Yeah.
50s or 60s?
Maybe more.
Wow, don't you think he's like,
No.
he's a
Going
old
for a
rooster.
joyride.
He's an old rooster.
An old rooster, they said of McMahon. The women were never told McMahon's name. Controversy has hung around Vince McMahon repeatedly the past few years. In 2024, he resigned from the WWE because of this.
You may have heard about the shocking sex abuse lawsuit being leveled at WWE boss Vince McMahon by a former employee.
In the lawsuit, Janelle Grant accuses McMahon of sharing sexually explicit photographs and videos of her with the wrestlers and recruiting men to have a threesome at the WWE
Ooh, just like
headquarters,
Epstein?
even during working hours.
Back on the Merritt Parkway in Connecticut with McMahon in the back of his friend or relative's SUV, the officers explained the charges stemming from his car crash.
Robbins was following me, I did about 3 miles an hour, which is reckless driving. I was charged with reckless driving, following too closely resulting in an accident. That's just striking the other car from the rear. Okay. So this is just a court summons. With your copies and just sign at the bottom. I'm not saying you're guilty.
Yo. Notice how the officers handle him. This is just a courtesy. We're not saying you're guilty. Imagine this is a 19-year-old in a Honda Civic. Imagine that. Would he get the same courtesy? Legally, the Fourth Amendment protect against unreasonable search and seizures. But once a high-speed crash occurs, the police have probable cause for an arrest. McMahon was charged with reckless driving.
And this is the appearance bond, right? I'm releasing you on a $500 non-shooting bond, which means you're not putting up any money. That's and this also has the court summons copy, you bring up before it, and make you a copy of it. Nice meeting you. I'm sorry I was under this circumstances. But, all right, just let the court know what happened. Everybody's okay, yeah?
Yeah, everything's okay. Okay, she's rich.
Nice to meet you.
You know, guys, just imagine the suspect is black or minority, Asian. It's gonna get ugly for sure.
Yeah, no. Happy birthday to your granddaughter. Try to enjoy the rest of the day.
In October, a court ruling allowed McMahon to enter pretrial probation for the reckless driving charge. As part of the agreement, McMahon was required to make a $1,000 charitable donation.
McMahon's lawyer secured a deal for pre-trial probation. This is a legal mechanism where defendants doesn't plead guilty. Instead, the court pauses the case. If you stay out of trouble and, in this case, make a $1,000 charitable donation, the charges are dismissed. This essentially wipes the 115 miles per hour crash of this criminal record as if it's never happened. Imagine that. Imagine that. That's a white privilege and a celebrity privilege. Imagine he were black. Imagine if he's Asian, the minorities. It's gonna get ugly. It's not gonna be like this. That's a problem in this society or the law,
If he maintains a clean driving record and avoids further legal trouble, the charge will be dismissed
Yeah.
this year. The
Yeah.
resolution raised eyebrows even before the footage surfaced. And now that the body camera video has been released, there are questions not just about judgment, but about accountability. Vince McMahon drove over 100 miles per hour. He failed to slow down for state police and then smashed into another vehicle. There were no fatalities, thankfully, but if this had been an ordinary citizen and not a
Yeah.
driving out of control,
Minorities.
would this incident have ended so politely?
No.
Without jail time?
No.
Would the
It's
conclusion
gonna.
be just probation and a donation?
No.
Vince McMahon was tougher on himself than how the Connecticut State Police handled him.
Imagine if you're not rich, if you're not a celebrity, mostly if you are black or you're a minority, It's gonna get ugly. It's not gonna be like that. They're going to lock you up in the four uh 4 square meter cell. No, no. That's $1,000 fine fits a 115 miles per hour crash that could have been killed the family. Or is it just how the legal system works for the resources, those who have resources to fight? Let me know in the comments, everybody. You know, is this VIP? VIP justice? Don't just hit like and subscribe. For more daily feed legal breakdown, stay humble, and the law will humble you. Please click the like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm out. Peace.